second day in Koh Samui. This morning we were planning to go to the beach, but the plans have changed because we woke up at 1:30. Yeah, last night we came home. It was like 2 a.m. And Mark said he's hungry, so we went to 7-Eleven to get some snacks. But then when I got there, I started feeling so sick. I just started feeling weird. I don't know what it was. I started feeling dizzy, weak. I think I had a heartburn, but I'm not sure. Anyways, we got some pills yesterday, and I took one, but it didn't help. I was just feeling dizzy, so I was feeling like throwing up. I hate throwing up, so I didn't want to. So I was just laying down, but then I'm like, okay, this is actually pretty bad. And I did throw up a lot, and I felt a bit better after. I still don't know if it was food poisoning, because Mark is feeling okay. I don't think it was. Like, I was feeling completely fine. So our last food was like 5 hours before I started getting sick. Like maybe 4 hours. So I was feeling completely fine, and all of a sudden it just hit me in the shop. Anyways, I feel okay now. Just no beach. We're checking the weather app and it said it was gonna rain, but like it's sunny outside, so I don't know. Anyways, we prefer going to the beach in the morning, so we're gonna go the next 4 days. But for today, I think we're just gonna take it easy and just go for food and explore the island a bit. I forgot to mention that yesterday I actually got some rashes on my both arms, sorry, and legs. I don't know, just one of them felt very itchy. And I got some allergy pills, and I took one when we were eating yesterday, and they went away. So I think it was an allergy. I just don't know to what, because I normally don't get allergies, so I don't know. I never took an allergy test, so I'm not sure what it was, but there was something there. I'm wearing my other dress today. A blue dress. Blue dress. It's pretty good. And I just put these things in my head. Also, the humidity is so high here that I just straighten my fringe, but like it's gonna go like this. I don't mind, it's fine. Just put these cute pins in my hair, and we're gonna go for food and just walk around. There's a place I wanted to eat at like 10 minutes walk, I think. I had it marked on my Google Maps. We're gonna go there and eat some nice Thai food. So when you arrive at these villas, you get fresh coconut. Because we arrived so late. Was it like 12 a.m.?
12 a.m. Yeah, this is like the third day. When you get that now?
Okay, we just got it now. Drink it. Is it good, Mark?
Mm. Delicioso.
It's very delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really? It doesn't look like a restaurant. Jesus Christ.
Nice. You can try the pad kapao if you want.
Oh, good.
Yep, pad kapao.
Agapao with
Pork.
egg. With egg.
With egg, do you want egg?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Eggs. Can I get the khao kai
Okay.
chow? Yeah.
With pork.
Pork, yeah.
Okay.
That's everything.
Bakshi's food. Omelette and rice.
It's on rice, yeah.
Huh?
Almost on rice.
Omelette and rice with pork. Omelette and rice and pork. With pork served on is a banana leaf.
Banana leaf. Yeah.
Served a banana leaf. Yummy. I'm gonna wait for mine. Okay. That looks very nice. It's watermelon shake. And this is pineapple shake. It's very nice. I got my food. Pork kapao.
Pad kapao.
Pad kapao. The pork. The view is amazing though. The flour. It is pretty spicy, yeah. Should I eat the chilies? Hmm? You have pork inside? Hmm? I like mine better.
Oh my god, that was really good.
We ate, and this place has like a nature. Oh, it's a park. What? How would you call this? It's like a park. Hmm? Where? Oh, there's a bee. This is quite dangerous here. Oh my god. Okay. This is scary. This is so scary. We're on top of a lake. Oh my god. This is quite cruel. This is cool. Just chilling on top of the lake. You can't even see the water because there are so many of these things. How do you call this in English? How do you call this? Cliffs in English?
It's like a swamp.
Swamp?
Oh, these things are like lotus.
Lotus.
The water lilies. Yeah, these ones are called water lilies.
It's an interesting place. Just sitting on a bench here. Can you go back this way? We're in the big sea market. It's like a treasure box with €1 coins inside. It's quite interesting, if you ask me. Oh. Morning cake. These are all the sweet snacks. As much as I love sweets, I would go savory snacks right now. More sweets. What are these things? Nuts.
Matcha.
You want matcha? You can get matcha instead of strawberry.
No, yeah, all
Oh, that's milk. Banana chips. Okra chips. Crispy strawberry. Durian. What's this? It's the baby claw. Garlic. I don't even know what I want to try. So many options. BTS collab. What? Salted egg. Eggs with salted egg flavor. Eggs with salted egg flavor. Lace. Sorry, I don't know what I said. Yeah. Cornstarch. I don't know, what do you feel like trying? Huh? What are these things? Butter. What are these? Butter crisps.
You want to try?
This or this? Oh, this looks nice. This looks nicer. This is chili. Party chili paste bread. You want that? You like that, no? We're gonna go back to the hotel after?
Yeah, I think all the stuff.
That's why I'm asking.
Do you want anything else? You want the strawberry version? Strawberry fruit?
Yeah.
Do you strawberry fruit?
You're gonna try? You know what? Did you taste it before?
Yeah. I prefer the. I'll get a green front here for that.
Okay.
This is really nice.
What are those?
Yeah, this is that one.
Oh my gosh. You're buying so many snacks.
Hey, look. We'll eat it. We'll eat it all. That's the last one.
God. I'll try that one. Donuts. Try tea. Mine looks so good. Mine is mandatory. This is plain Thai tea. I think they put like foam on top, no? And got some donuts. I'm gonna try my Thai tea first. This is all take away. I need to mix it in.
There's no bite.
Ah, this is so good.
You mix it, huh?
Best Thai tea. I mixed it. Try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, sure. I got a very small one. I got like a Japanese. Donald.
It's very sweet.
Mine is so nice, I don't know. I didn't expect mango with Thai tea to taste so good. I love this. It's the best drink I've ever had. What do they have there in the book? That's pretty cool. Well, what do they have inside though? I want to see. Oh, there. A Thai massage. I like this place though. But there's no more smoke now.
What time is it now, actually? It's like
11.
Stuff's closed now at this time, though.
Huh? The restaurant. I was hearing like the aircon and I thought it was like raining outside. 7-Eleven food. I got a lot of 7-Eleven food. Hmm? No. Do you? 7-Eleven food inside. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I got a lot of stuff, no?
It smells about €3 just.
How much? So I got this is like the croissant cheese sandwich. What's this one? I forgot what I got.
Penang curry
Yeah, curry. What did you get, Mark?
with some chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken with some pad
Burger.
kra pao.
But you got the pak krapao again. And I also have a cake here. The drink. Soya. Thai milk drink. I also got tea. What's all you drinking? Milo. Milo. I also got the cake. Look, I got the cake. The Thai tea cake. Now I'm just gonna eat my food. I'm gonna eat my sandwich first. You have tissues in your bag. I haven't even tried my sandwich.
It's hot. Okay. Try a bit with chicken. Try it.
It tastes smoky.
You don't like that?
It's good. I'm gonna have my croissant cheese, ham and cheese sandwich.
Maybe croissant one.
It does taste like the croissant. But I think the plain one is the normal sandwich is better. Ham and cheese. My body feels so light now after the massage.
It's very nice. I like that.
You could see the beach in the massage room, but like your head is down, you can't even see anything.
Yeah, it's a bit pointless.
See view, but it's very nice. I forgot to mention you paid. How much you paid? 490 baht? Yeah, like 490 baht for everything, snacks, food. Something like that. It was like 12 euro, no?
Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, good.
I'm gonna try my chicken. fish cake and rice. They have so many food options. You don't really know what to pick. To pick everything.
Everything looks good.
Everything looks good. This looks like really decent. It's like,
Like fish cake.
yeah, I have like chicken with, I think that's red curry. So this is the curry. Chicken curry, rice, and 2 fish cakes. You wanna try fish cake? I'm gonna try the fish cake now. Oh my god, it got very windy. Mm. Mm. It's very good. It's a bit spicy, a fish cake. It's a spicy fish cake. Hmm. It's so nice.
No?
It's spicy, but it's super nice. Mm. It's very interesting. Just gonna try the chicken curry now. Mm. Try a bit from the curry. So nice. €1 food. $1.50. Mm. Mm. 150, I think. A 50 baht. It was like 50 baht. Can I use my spoon? Well, I think it was like 50 baht. 50 baht is like 150. I'm gonna try my drink. I like this though. It just tastes like salad.
That's very nice actually.
The curry. You seem to keep liking my food choices. It's very romantic eating 7-Eleven food. With the dim light outside, surrounded by bugs and frogs and lots of plants.
You know, it's romantic.
It's romantic. It is a romantic setting. I like this hotel. So I got the sandwiches as a starter, then the main dish, and the dessert.
No, I was only thinking, right. The ants just appear whenever there's food. It's kind of crazy.
Do you see ants now?
No.
Oh yeah, I
I
know.
was just thinking about like the other day, like
Even today, on the table.
the mosquito. They just like the mosquito just died like an hour beforehand, and all of a sudden ants are there eating them.
It comes with Thai tea sauce, I think. I don't know how to open the thing up. It smells like Thai tea. It's gonna put it on top. It's a lot. It's a lot of sauce. Paper. It's not too sweet. Could be sweeter. It's very soft.
Soft.
It's very good though.
The others are good. It's nice. Wait, does it taste like Thai tea?
Hmm?
Does it taste
A
like
bit,
Thai tea?
yeah.
Nice.
I don't know why I didn't buy cake for you.
That's very nice.
No more? One more bite? One more bite?
I'll have some
One more?
seaweed.
You sure?
It's really soft, isn't it? It's really creamy.
Can I see the package? Where did you read that? Up?
No, it's just lard.
Oh my god.
Lard flavor.
It smells so strong.
The other one is just the original.
This is... Did you try it?
I didn't try this one. I tried the other one. The other one's nice.
It's good. I like it.
It's sour.
It's a bit spicy.
Mm.
It's actually very spicy at the end. Oh my god.
Oh,
Yeah. Did you not get it spicy at the end? Oh my god, it's burning my throat. It is spicy. I'm gonna go. Are you gonna go to bed after? Hmm?
yeah.
Hopefully you can go to. Hopefully you can go to the beach in the morning.
It's spicy.
Mm.
Oh, well.
I'm gonna have dinner at 7-Eleven today and breakfast tomorrow. Most restaurants close at 12. Finish the massage like 15 past 11. Tomorrow is another day.